downs. But the question
Mhm.
that I have is, how has MPM affected, your journey? What's your overall rating for MPM,
So like MPM for a or former student like me, it will really help a lot, because this is kind of, I know it, some colleges teaches this, give some techniques on how to apply after graduation, but this is after graduation, it's like all start from scratch, like you forgot everything, and you go there, you went there, and it's like you forgot everything, and it's a very good source or resources that you're giving to us. Is like it really helped to, to keep in track, and where you're going, to be organized, know where field you're going. That's the thing that you cannot just get from Google or anything.
That's awesome.
It
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, the guidance that you two provided to us is has a big impact to get a job, because
Mm,
this is something that even if you tell it yourself, even if you already know it, but you guys push us to, push us more to be better than what we know.
mm.
That's the thing that I realized, because after, yeah, in my experience after giving birth, I feel like I felt lost.
Mm. No, yeah. I'm so
um the motivation that you guys provide to the students, or like us, that so it's the motivation that this, don't belittle yourself. I've heard that you whatever you think to yourself reflects to your appearance, right? So the motivation is the most thing that keep on me in my mind.
nice.
So
Nice.
that's
Awesome.
why
Perfect.
that's why that's why I, even if I don't have much communication with you guys, even if our time is done in the boot camp, I still inform you guys that I was hard,
Yep.
because I appreciate that you guys helped me too.
Awesome. No, yeah, it's definitely our pleasure. Questions I would have for you, Shala, is would you recommend this to someone who's applying for jobs, your friends or family?
Definitely, definitely, because you cannot just like this is the reality. Whenever you got a job, you spend your a year or more than years to the company. When you need to apply again, you're feeling lost. That's the
Mm.
reality, and you need guidance, because your old resume will not work to the next company, right?
Mm.
So
Yep.
you need an updated one. So it people need people will people needs you, because for the people like us that who felt lost after the long period of time, that doesn't no work, or after working longer time in the company, you need to apply again, like, oh my god, how can I build my resume again, how can I update my resume that will appeal to the employer. So yeah, I will definitely recommend you guys,
Awesome.
because it if it helped me, of course it will help other people as well.
Absolutely. That's the goal. That's the goal for MPM, being
Yeah.
that family away from family, helping immigrants succeed in North America. That's the goal. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Shala. I
Yeah.
wanted to quickly congratulate you on this call, for your success. This is the result of your hard work, your passion, your ambition. Of course, we were just a catalyst, we were just out there to serve you. And I'm glad you made the most out of it. So congratulations once again. And thank you so much for such a sweet feedback. We really appreciate the feedback.